you little shit. God damn it. Yep. This is what happens. Almost hit a little baby deer, and that would have been real bad. I thought my fucking bug just attacked me. What is happening right here? God. Just trying to go get some drinks. Jesus. Way to intro the vlog. God damn, day 101 getting crazy. Almost hitting deer and getting attacked by giant bugs and shit. Fuck. So I was just actually about to say how I was surprised. Don't mind me. I was gonna say I'm surprised how going down these dirt roads that I haven't hit a fucking deer yet, and boom, a baby deer decides to almost kermit, and and yeah, that was I was literally just thinking that. I'm like, because I've gone up and down this road a couple times today, this dirt road, and I've seen deer just hop out, and I was like, oh. So that was one hell of an intro. Welcome to the vlog 101. Here comes the rain and the thunder. Great. Just had to move our saws up here. Sweet. You're crazy. That fucking turkeys and shit, dog. I'm on my way home.